Hi, I'm Prasad from Qualcomm. In this video, we will go over how to set up QCCID for QCC730. Open the Windows PowerShell script and run in administrator role. In the PowerShell window, execute this command. Then go to QCCIDE folder and execute install.ps1 script provided by Qualcomm. This will install all the required tools and install QCCIDE into VS Code. Once the installation is completed, open VS Code and you should see QCCIDE view in VS Code. To open the existing project, you can go to Files, Open Folder. In the Open Folders, go to the QCC730 SDK location, click on Target folder and select the folder. After opening QCCIDE and selecting QCC SDK folder, you will need to install all the QCCIDE SDK dependencies. In the search window, you can type this command and install all required dependencies. Once the required dependencies are successfully installed, you can start to build Flash QCC730 application using QCCIDE. There are active projects that are available by default. We will go and build QCC730 CLI demo. You will need to set this as an active project. Once you select the active project, you can click on this particular button to start the build process. It will automatically build an image. Once the image is successfully built, you can connect the QCC730 device to the Windows PC and flash the image onto the board. You can click on this button to flash the image onto the board. You should see this particular ELF file that is created, and you should not see any error messages for successful build. When you connect the PC to the device, you should see two COM ports. Select one of the COM port for serial terminal to open. You can open the QCCIDE console using the COM port. Once the serial terminal is opened, you can type help to see all the available QCLI commands. Now to connect to an AP, you can go to WLAN and enable WLAN and set the WPA parameters using the command. Passphrase parameters using this command. And then provide the SSID of the access point to connect to the network. To obtain the IP address, go to Net and you can select DHCP v4 to get the IP address. Once the IP address is obtained, you can use iperf command to run throughput tests. You can start either server or client on QCC730 and another device connected to the same PC to send and receive data. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website for more information.